Okay, for the virtual computer build, what you're going to do, well, you have to do this in one class. It doesn't, unless you save it somewhere else, it's not going to save your progress. It should take about 20 minutes or so. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here, click this, go up to where it says PC repair, and go to PC repair folder. And then see it says PC building simulator. You're going to double click that. And this file right here is what starts it up. So you double click. And then just click. You could turn the music off if you like on your keyboard. And then, or you could, lower it. And then you want to click how to build a PC. This just give you the basics of what the different parts of the PC. So you click that, and it steps you along with, it's like a game. So you continue, and what you're gonna do is it's gonna prompt you what to do. So right now you're gonna take off the panels. So click continue, and it helps you right there. See, it says hold the left mouse button to remove side panel, hold to rotate the camera. So I'm gonna rotate the camera. See, and the left one is how to take off the panel. So click, and it takes off the panel. Then I'm gonna rotate, take off the other one. Now what it's gonna do is each step it'll have you screwing things in. Like when it's on a screw, you just click and hold it, and it'll screw in or screw out when you have to do certain things. Each step, what I want you to do is take a screenshot. Now, if you hold down Alt and hit Enter, hold on Alt, hit Enter, you should be able to move it over so you can access here. And you want to type in SNI, the snippet tool, and then you could do new, and you could highlight it. And what you're going to do is in this screenshots full Google Doc that you have, just type a little blurb of what it is, like taking off panels, and then do a screenshot of that. Taking off panels. And then Control V, and there it is. You don't have to make it that big. You can do like that. And then just work your way down. I don't know how many steps there are. I think there's, I don't know, 12 or something like that. And you put your name here, and you're going to pass in this Google Doc as your proof that you put together the virtual computer.